Welcome to this educational video on speed, time, and distance. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamental concepts of these three interconnected elements in physics. Let's start by understanding speed. Speed is the measure of how quickly an object moves. It is calculated by dividing the distance traveled by the time taken. Now, let's dive into the concept of time. Time is a fundamental aspect of speed and distance. It represents the duration or interval between two events. In the context of speed and distance, time determines how long it takes for an object to travel a certain distance. Next, let's explore the concept of distance. Distance is the measurement of how far an object has traveled. It can be measured in various units, such as meters or kilometers. Distance is closely related to speed and time, as it determines the rate at which an object moves. In conclusion, we have learned the fundamental concepts of speed, time, and distance. These concepts are crucial in understanding the physics of motion. Remember to practice and apply these concepts to solve various problems in the real world.